Good morning, children. In the last lesson, we have seen how fruits are formed. Now, today we see how do pollen grain reaches the stigma of the flower. Already I told you how do pollen grain reach the stigma of the flower. Plants take help of living and non-living beings for transfer of pollen grains to stigma. ఎవరి హెల్ప్ తీసుకుంటాయి? లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ హెల్ప్ తీసుకుంటాయి, నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ హెల్ప్ తీసుకుంటాయి. ఎందుకోసం? ఫర్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఆఫ్ pollen grains to stigma. So the things, whether living or non-living, that helps in pollination is called a pollinator. Already we discussed. Anything that helps in pollination is called pollinator. Examples of pollinators: bees, butterflies, birds, bats. Up to here these are living beings. Wind, water, wind, water. Why do these visit the flowers? Why do these pollinators visit the flowers? The pollinators visit the flowers for their bright colors. Pollinators visit the plants for their bright colors, for their sweet smell, for the honey they give, for the honey they give, for the smell they give. And it suits the time of blooming. అంటే నైట్ టైం తిరిగే బ్యాట్స్ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తాయి? నైట్ విచ్చుకునే జాస్మిన్ దగ్గరకో లేకపోతే నైట్ విచ్చుకునే బనానా ట్రీస్ దగ్గరకో వెళ్తాయి. Okay, time of bloom. Okay, children, once again, children, why do flowers attract the pollinators? Flowers attract pollinators with their bright colors, smell, time of blooming, and honey. Now, did you find the answer for your PEP second question? What is that question? Do you think flowers wanted the insects to visit them? Yes, flowers wanted the insects to visit them for pollination. Pollination జరగాలి కాబట్టి ఫ్లవర్స్ ఏమున్నాయి? They have bright colors, they are pretty, they give nectar, they give sweet smell, they bloom at the times which suit the visit of pollinator. Pollinator వచ్చే టైంకి విచ్చుకుంటాయి అవి. So flowers wanted the insects to visit them. Flowers wanted the pollinator to visit them. Flowers are pretty for pollination. What happens if there is no pollination? If there is no pollination, what happens? There will be no fertilization. If there is no fertilization, there is no fruit formation. If there is no fruit formation, no seed formation. If there is no seed formation, no plants. No plant. That is why, children, we should not spray insecticides to plants. ఎక్కువ ఇన్సెక్టిసైడ్స్ కొడితే ఏమవుతాయి అంటే మనకు వచ్చే బీస్ కానీ బటర్ఫ్లైస్ కానీ all the pollinators will die. If the pollinators die, there won't be any pollination. If there is no pollination, no fertilization. If there is no fertilization, no fruit formation. If there is no fruit formation, no seed formation. No seed formation, no plants. I hope you understand. Now let us see variety of pollinators. The pollinators, see here is a bee. They visit the flowers. When they visit the flowers, the pollen grains stick to their legs. They visit the flowers for their nectar. This pollen grain, when it visits another flower, it gets transferred to the stigma. It gets transferred to the stigma. See, here it is a fly. Bees generally visit which type of plants? The plants which are yellow, blue or purple color. Yellow, blue or purple color. Okay children? Yellow ga unde flowers, purple ga unde flowers ki veltayi bees ekkuva. These are the preferences. See, it is visiting the other flower. Now, this is fly. Flies ఎటువంటి flowers visit చేస్తాయి జనరల్ గా? డల్ రెడ్ ఆర్ బ్రౌన్. ఈగలు డల్ రెడ్ ఆర్ బ్రౌన్. ఎందుకని? దే ఫీల్ దట్ డల్ రెడ్ యాజ్ మీట్, అది మాంసం అనుకుని విజిట్ చేస్తాయి. And flowers visit the flowers which has foul odor. Odor, O-D-O-U-R. Odor means smell. Foul odor means bad smell. Flowers visit the flowers. Bees visit the flowers which are brown color or dull red color, thinking that it is a meat. And the flowers give which odor? Foul odor, bad smell. Foul odor, strong and foul odor. See, this is a bee. This is a fly. Which type of flower it visited? It visited red colored flower which has foul smell. And the next pollinator is bird, tubular flower. Bee sending the beak, drinking the nectar. Now the fourth pollinator is moth. Moth is an insect. Moths usually prefer with light colored petals and sweet smell. Student, white color petals undi kabatti moth velli. Moths visit light colored petals and which have sweet smell. Next pollinator is bats. Bats generally pollinate desert plants or tall trees or banana tree. The flowers are usually white and they bloom at night. Night time పూసే flowers ke bat. Bat అంటే ఏంటి? గబ్బిలం. See, banana tree దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళింది. సో ఆ banana tree మీదకి వెళ్ళి ఆ flowers తింటూ when it visits the other flower, it helps in pollination. Okay children? So here bat is the pollinator. It visited a banana plant because it blooms in night. The flowers are usually white in color. Fruit smell. The smell, it likes fruit smell. Okay? Now next, wind. When wind blows, wind acts as a pollinator. It generally pollinates light plants such as grasses and wheat. The flowers are not bright, but pollen grains are very light. pollen grains are light in color, and when wind comes the pollen grains are transferred, and water also acts like pollinator. In water plants like Vallisneria, the water carries the male flowers to the female flowers.